Hi, Brad here. Just another quick video on how to raise alerts, how to cancel alerts, and how to respond to alerts. You should have the little green button floating here on your screen, or maybe down here in the icon tray. But to raise an alert, simply double click that button, and that alert has now been raised. That message is now broadcasting out to your colleagues. Should you wish to cancel that alert, we can simply double click, and you can see that alert has now been cancelled. Everyone has been updated that alert has been cancelled. And finally, to right click, choose the alert type. This is where you can select those different alert types. Let's say this is a medical incident. I can now raise a medical emergency as opposed to that assistance required. When it comes to receiving alerts and responding alerts, I'm going to raise an alert here from my mobile. You'll see that pop up there on the screen, assistance required. If I'm able to, I'm going to click to respond, and that has been then sent to my the person who's raised the alert to let them know that I'm on their way to come and assist them. You may, however, see a different alert type. For example, a lockdown. You may see I'm unable to respond to this alert. This has been defined by my administrators. This message is going to continue broadcasting until that has been cancelled by the device that has raised it. Very quick guide on how to raise alerts, how to respond to them, and how to cancel them. Stay tuned for more videos.